gravity paramotors here. So far, one of the most commonly asked questions we've received about the Gravity Defiant is how fast does it tear down? So I'm going to show you that real quick. You're going to need 2 Allen wrenches. First one is to loosen up the netting, because the netting does get quite tight, and you're not going to be able to undo it by hand. Remove the line from the tensioner. From there, you're going to want to be sure to pass your pull start rope through the net so it doesn't get hung on it. You're going to want to remove the outer line from where it meets with the spoke at all 5. From there, you're able to simply push off the tubing, removing each section. At this point, you would neatly coil up and then roll the netting up for transport, like so. Spokes have a spring-loaded detent. Simply remove. For the pull start, you will have to unthread a quick bike clamp. Be sure to keep track of that part. Of course, everybody knows how to already remove a propeller. The next phase is going to be removal of the harness. Quick pins for the swing arms. Fold into your harness. Be sure to replace the quick pins so you don't misplace them. As such. Again, replace quick pin. The harness has 4 quick detach. Here's where the other Allen wrench comes in. Simply pull back the harness to remove the upper harness bolts. And it is a fairly long bolt. You will have a threaded insert to keep track of. You can replace on the harness once removed. From there, your harness, swing arms are completely disconnected with your 2 least parts. From here, your prop, of course, will already be removed. You can lay your paramotor on its face, remove the last section of tubing, with the last 2 spokes. And your paramotor's ready to travel.